फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैलवे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
Hi, all, myself Archana.
Myself Dhanoop. We are based out of Trivandrum, Kerala, India. We both are software professionals. Our son Advik Dhanoop has been selected by the International Book of Records by solving complex puzzles.
Advik has started his journey on puzzle solving at the age of 2.5 years. So he started with a simple 2x2 basic puzzle, and then that's the first time we get to know like he is enthusiastic and passionate on puzzle solving. And later what we did is we introduced him with new complex puzzles like 4x4, then 35-piece puzzles, 100-piece puzzles, and at the age of 3.5 years he was able to solve 100-piece puzzles on animals of Africa, which needs visual perception, sustained concentration and logical thinking. And we are actually grateful to International Book of Records for recognizing Advik for this complex jigsaw puzzle award. And we as his parents are really proud, and we really want to share this with our family, friends, school, and thus hereby nurture his abilities again for solving more jigsaw puzzles like this. Thank you.
Thank you.